Balasubramaniam. I have come here to Max Haircut Studio for hair transplantation, and I am extremely satisfied with the initial consultation given to me regarding this treatment, and I am bountifully hopeful and expecting good results. I have a immense trust and faith in the Max Hair Transplantation team. I just completed a hair transplant surgery at Max Haircare, and I am extremely satisfied with the treatment than I expected with the core team, clinical team of Max Haircare, and they took as much as care as they could of me, and provided a good rapport while treatment, and I'm extremely satisfied and more than happy with Max Haircare team.